Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So today I am making basic jewelry for your traditional outfits easy. First we are making bangles. So I took my mother's old bangles और एक red ribbon लेकर पूरे bangle को मैंने cover कर दिया है easily. This process is very easy. Just with the help of Fevicol I just wrapped this around this. Please manage my language, please. Then I took some different shapes of mirrors and pasted them. कोई भी choice का mirrors ले सकते हैं. I have took these diamond ones and circle ones. And the bangles are ready. And then we are making choker. This process is also very easy. I have just taken a strap of ribbon and then I have taken a cardboard and pasted the ribbon on it. A ribbon strap should be a little bit longer so that you can tie choker by the neck. So I have pasted square mirrors on the choker. And then 3 सर्कल मिरर्स को लेकर उनको रिबन पर पेस्ट कर इस तरीके से कट आउट कर दिया है और उनको भी बैक साइड में पेस्ट कर दिया है. And this was also looking nice. You can wear this on your Navratri outfit, on your Diwali outfit, on suit and whatever, and sari also. And then we are making earrings. I've taken these old earrings and then pasted one round mirror on the top and then some diamond shaped or drop shaped mirrors like this and one circle shaped mirror in the center, and then it was also looking somewhat like this. This process is easy and you can make these in just few minutes when you have nothing to wear. My favorite one was bangles. They were looking so neat and so beautiful, just like you have bought it from the market. Please like and subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.